out with the transmission. In with the gearbox. Alright, greetings one and all, big up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, it's your boy Tezzaboy. Welcome to the channel, guys. Alright, I just wanna wish you guys a happy holiday, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Hope you guys have been eating healthy, the ham, all the good food and the family settings. Big up on yourself. Just wanna say big up to my sponsors, my supporters, my subscribers, everyone. Enjoy the happy holidays. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Today is a very special day. I will be doing a very special vlog for you guys. A lot of persons have been waiting for updates on the E30. So today guys is a big day. I'm gonna be putting the 1JZ engine attached to the BMW gearbox in the E30. So you don't want to miss it. Not gonna say anything else, just stay tuned. Alright. Diff engine should be going in. Alright, well after so. Yeah, it's all. About easy motor so. Alright. Today is the day. What's up, bro? If you catch it. Alright. Fine one. Peeps, they want to name safety measures. Yeah. I don't want to run no catastrophe in idea. Alright, so. Run away trick. Slip. Yeah, good grip wrench if you want. I think about 12. 11 this. I think say 12. Maybe a 13, 15 honestly. But I change them out look about it. Better do it. Easier to work on.
Where are you doing?
See power bolt is
Stop rip my hair.
Power bolt is boost.
Other man say no one left.
Married leader.
It was a cover.
Daddy, look your hand.
That's it.
This one can
Let's go.
your
Let's
shoe.
go.
You want the board and die?
Show me the back then. Show me the back panel. No, show me the back.
Why answer?
Yeah.
Out with the transmission. In with the gearbox.
Hey, turn that pull up for me, Jimmy.
Give me a phone.
Last year, I start with that boat.
Did it count?
Who?
Did I count? Or count too much diagram?
Turn it up. Aye, come on.
Just one rock off. Look like except from them married then two, you never divorced yet.
Never divorce. Never divorce. I'm not looking at so. It's like he never been.
Never pull.
Madam. Your mother.
Well, like, you know, come on. One side. Fast car and I use AC.
No, sir.
Cool breeze.
Outside breeze.
No radio neither, listen engine
No,
sound.
why radio?
Why radio for do what?
No, more radio.
No brother, listen Jay-Z rap.
More radio.
Radio for do what?
More listen to one group up and slide.
You have Bill Muscle too? No power steering?
No, man, boss.
Alright, that me want power steering too.
More boss there. Boss there, nobody. That's have to be. What is it?
No earbag, real men die like men.
Oh,
No earbag, we die like real man. Yeah man.
travel, no matter.
Eh?
You care of your bag?
You go like a lot of earbag.
You care of your bag?
Yo, listen to the talk time boss.
You mad right?
Future younger than film.
You can't come with your bag,
And we don't want it. Me not think E30 come with none. Fi want that none.
No, sir.
No sir, but for your E36 come with it.
No, you're back there.
You just never think about it like that. You never think about it there.
You know, sir, the copy that size as you want. Get, eh? No.
Alright people, so remove
Yeah,
the
you can't turn it upside down.
AC compressor and the transmission.
Alright, I'll take out 2 more brackets now. I've got 2 more brackets.
I will change the mount brackets and put on the gearbox. Where's the Jimmy?
Oh, I said, I'm about to bung.
Yeah, we don't use no water heater, so I bung them off. So update peeps. Update. Alright, so we married the clutch flywheel and pressure plate to the engine. Yeah, so the gearbox is here. I'm gonna put it on and the engine in a few. Merge the two. Update for now, peeps. Transmission is off. Parts here, parts there, parts everywhere. So we're gonna push in the E30 in the garage in a few.
Yes.
install the gearbox on the engine now. See what we can get done. Need to change this rack and pinion. We have a different one. Alright, so for those of you who are wondering what's happening here or what we are doing, we're actually welding 1/8 steel plate onto the subframe right where the engine mounts will sit for the JZ so that it can be stronger, hence to hold the weight of the JZ, because the engine that originally came in the E30 is way lighter than the JZ. So this is to, you know, reinforce everything. It's like a preventative measure to make sure nothing breaks while it's under pressure or driving or the everyday wear and tear. So basically we are reinforcing it with MIG weld. MIG welding is a bit stronger than the gas welding, and it's, you know, it prevents the metal from corroding and all that stuff. So that's why we chose MIG weld. So that's what we're doing right now. Alright guys, so at this particular moment, as you can see, we are about to install or lower the JZ engine into the E30 chassis. However, you know, it's the first time retrofitting or test fitting it, so the engine mount brackets weren't really modified to fit this car as yet. So this is what you would call the test phase. So we're slowly lowering it into the car and you know, measuring up and making sure it would clear a number of things, including the rack and pinion, the steering column, and also the subframe. So we had the front stub, so the crankcase or oil crankcase of the engine would clear, so that was a plus. And also the engine mount brackets were already pre-made, however we had to modify them a bit to clear the steering column, and it was resting on the rack and pinion at one point, so we had to sort all that out. So that's what you're seeing right here, retrofitting first time, you know, lowering the engine into the chassis of the car. So that's it for this one.
Wala naman. Too wide. The kitchen what?
Yeah, it's running kitchen. So I'm gonna set up what's that?
No problem.